I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to review the blueprint and edit the squeeze page funnel. Now we're in the squeeze page funnel template, and the first thing we're going to do is look at the blueprint. So I'm going to click the page icon and go down to blueprint. And this is a really simple funnel. We're going to get a traffic source, which might be Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or some other funnel that you have. And you're going to send that traffic to this squeeze page. This squeeze page is designed to entice your website visitor to give you their name and their email address. Once they do and they click the submit button, they'll be sent to the thank you page. And then from the thank you page, you can choose to end it right there or send them to another funnel. So super simple. Let's go ahead and jump in and edit this template. So I'm going to go to the page icon and I'm going to go back to the squeeze page funnel layout and click the arrow, and I'll go back to the squeeze page home page. And here is the first page that they'll hit, and you can edit anything on this page, but the most important thing is this form right here, which is the email marketing form. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change that so that whenever they fill out the form, the information goes into your Mailing Boss subscriber list. In order to do that, I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to configure. And it allows me to choose any autoresponder, but I'm going to go ahead and choose Mailing Boss. And what it does is it goes into my subscriber list that I have available, and it finds me all of my lists. And then I can choose whichever list I want to add to this particular funnel. I'm going to go with email marketing. And now my list is actually ready to accept new subscribers. So whenever anyone fills out this form, they go straight into that Mailing Boss subscriber list. Now I have to decide what page do I want to send them to after they fill out this form. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to change URL. And right now, nothing will happen once they fill out the form. So I have to set it so that they go to that thank you page. So on pending subscribe, which means that your subscriber list is most likely a double opt-in and they have not confirmed their subscription yet. So on pending subscribe, I'm going to still go ahead and send them to the thank you page. So I'm going to click no action, and then I'm going to click the return to previous menu, and I'm going to choose page, and then on select, I'm going to choose thank you page, and then OK. And I'm going to do the same thing for subscription confirmed. This usually occurs either when you've got a single opt-in subscriber list, or they do confirm their email through clicking on the link that they get in their email to confirm it. So I want them to go to the same page, the thank you page. So I'm going to click no action, and I'm going to click select and send them to the thank you page, and OK. Now on unsubscribe confirmation, if they choose to unsubscribe to our list, what they'll do is they'll get an email, and at the bottom of the email it'll say unsubscribe. If they click that, where do we want to send them? Well, I think I want to send them back to this opt-in form so that they can choose to opt in again if they maybe made a mistake. So I'm going to go to no action, and on select I'm going to choose the squeeze page. I want to send them back to the squeeze page to opt in again if they want to, and then click OK. So now that all of these are configured, I'm just going to go to confirm and then confirm again. And now this page is actually configured. And remember, the most important thing about any website that you build is to click save. This is my first save, so I need to save my template and then click send and save again. And now we've saved the first page of our squeeze page template. Now I'm going to go to the next page. So I'm going to click the page icon, and I'm going to click the first layout and then the thank you page. On the thank you page, you can change any information here. The most important thing is this bottom button. This is the button that you configure on where you want them to go once you tell them thank you for giving you their name and their email. So let's say I wanted to send them to another funnel, let's say the Builderall funnel. So I could change this button so that I could make them go to the next funnel, the Builderall funnel. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to action. On action, I'm going to say web address. And for the web address, I'm going to type in builderall.com. And then I'm going to click OK. And now that that's configured, remember that save as your friend, so you want to make sure to click save and keep all the changes that you've made so far. And now that we've made all the changes, let's talk about exactly what's going to happen. Your website visitor is going to come to the squeeze page first, and they're going to hit that opt-in form. And when they hit the opt-in form, they'll actually be forwarded, once they fill it out, to the thank you page. And then the thank you page is going to have information about saying thank you for subscribing. You can add a video, maybe telling them about where you're going to send them if they click this button below, and then configure the button below to go to your next funnel or your next offer. So that's how you configure your squeeze page funnel inside of Builderall.